Today we will be doing the unboxing of residential project Runwal My City by Runwal Group in Dombivli. In this, we will be discussing below points like overview, plan analysis, pros and cons and various others. So let's start. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Why do physical site visit? Housey brings you first ever unique experience of online site visit with project unboxing videos, actual site tours, complete cost sheet with payment breakup. Sounds interesting, isn't it? So save your time, do online site visit with Housey.com. First one is project overview. Runwal My City is City of Cities, that is a mega township that will be constructed on 156 acres of land parcel. As the name suggests, Runwal My City has everything within the township from residential clusters, educational institutes, shopping malls, healthcare facilities, corporate offices, police and fire brigade station, etc. Runwal My City will be developed cluster-wise. There are altogether 12 residential clusters and as of now, 3 residential clusters are launched and each cluster has a name of city, that is Vista City, Smart City and Blossom City. In this video, we will be discussing about Blossom City. This residential cluster named as Blossom City consists of 12 towers with each tower of ground plus 3-level podium plus 20 residential floors having 1, 2 and 3 BHK residences. Now coming to the location part. Runwal My City is located on Diva Manpada Road off Kalyan Silphata Road, Dombivli East and has a connectivity of 4 railway stations: Dombivli Station, Kopar, Dativali and Diva Railway Station, with Dombivli Station at a distance of 6.7 kilometers, Silphata Circle around 10 minutes and Kalyan Silphata Road 1.5 kilometers from the project. We also have the Experial Mall at a distance of 4 kilometers. Just for the idea, if you are coming from Dombivli Station, so Runwal My City comes before the Lodha Palava City. We just need to take the diversion from Kalyan Silphata Road. Now coming to the amenities part. First one is internal amenities. All flats are unfurnished with branded sanitary fittings and fixtures. Coming to the external amenities, Runwal My City has 40% open spaces and it is the city of cities, means there are multiple residential clusters. So there are 2 segments of amenities. Number 1, common My City amenities which are for everyone, that is all the clusters, and number 2, individual residential clusters. These are self-sustained clusters with their own set of amenities. So if we talk about the common amenities, so here we have 6 acres of Central Park which consists of open amphitheatre with a capacity of 3,000 plus people, 8 acres sports complex with football, cricket, 4 tennis and 2 multi-purpose courts, convenient retail along with a mega shopping mall, 1 lakh square feet educational institute, tie-up with Ryan International School has already been done and it will be functional by 2021, corporate offices and healthcare facilities. Now coming to the individual cluster amenities. Blossom City has a 75,000 square feet of podium garden with vehicle-free podium parking and dedicated clubhouse for each cluster. Also, the cluster has other amenities like multi-purpose courts, interactive playground, seasonal garden, party lawn and various others. Now the parking part. As said, each cluster has a separate car parking space and like other clusters, here also we have a 3-level of podium car parking. Coming to the master plan analysis. As said, in this video we will be discussing about Blossom City, which is this cluster. So let's come to the master plan of Blossom City. As you can see, this is the master plan of Blossom City. Here you can see there are altogether 12 towers which are being divided into 2 phases. Phase 1, which has 6 towers from T1 to T6, having 1 BHK Optima 372 square feet, 1 BHK Ultima 409 square feet, 2 BHK Optima 510 square feet, 2 BHK Ultima 570 square feet and 3 BHK, that is 777 square feet. So in this, T1 and T4 are identical with these flats 3 BHK, that is 777 square feet. These flats of series 1 and 2 are 2 BHK Ultima, that is 570 square feet, and these flats of series 4 and 5 are 2 BHK Optima, that is 510 square feet. Now coming to the towers T5 and T2. These towers consist of only 2 BHKs with flats of series 5 and 6, which are 2 BHK Optima of 510 square feet, and all remaining series of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 7, 8 are 2 BHK Ultima, that is 570 square feet. Now the tower T3. This tower has 1 BHK Ultima, 2 BHK Ultima and Optima. Here, flats of series 1 and 2 are 2 BHK Optima, that is 510 square feet. Flats of series 3, 4 and 7, 8 are 1 BHK Ultima, that is 409 square feet, and flats of series 5 and 6 are 2 BHK Ultima, that is 570 square feet. Now coming to tower T6. This tower has 1 BHK Optima, 2 BHK Ultima and Optima. Here, flats of series 1 and 2 are 2 BHK Ultima, that is 570 square feet. Flats of series 3, 4 and 7, 8 are 1 BHK Optima, that is 372 square feet, and flats of series 5 and 6 are 2 BHK Optima, that is 510 square feet. Now let's have a look at the floor plan. As you can see, each floor has 8 flats, 3 lifts and 2 staircases. However, towers with 3 BHK have 6 flats, 3 lifts and 2 staircases on each floor. Now coming to the maintenance part. 1 BHKs will have a maintenance in the range of Rs 2,500 to Rs 3,000 per month. 2 BHKs will have Rs 3,500 to 4,000 Rs per month, and 3 BHKs will have Rs 5,500 per month. Let us now look into the payment scheme. One can take a maximum loan up to 95% of the flat cost and need to do the minimum down payment of 5%. Also, the project comes up with a unique payment scheme from time to time, like no EMI till possession, etc. Also, to get the real-time cost sheet of Runwal My City, where you can choose the carpet area, floor and can get the accurate complete cost sheet with price breakup, you can click on the link mentioned in the description or simply visit our website housey.com. Now the possession part. Blossom City has a RERA possession of March 2024 and a target possession of March 2023. Now let's talk about the most interesting part, that is pros and cons. First one is pros. City of cities. Runwal My City is the city of cities with everything from residential apartments to office spaces, shopping mall, school, healthcare, police and fire brigade station. Means you don't have to go anywhere, everything will be available in Runwal My City. Ultra luxurious amenities. Project has 40% open spaces with super amenities likes of 6 acres of Central Park, 8 acres of sports complex, 1 lakh square feet mega clubhouse and separate cluster amenities. So if amenities are your priority, this project will be perfect for you. Talking about the cons, small carpet area. Project does not have a big carpet area. Especially 2 BHK Optima is 510 square feet, which is comparatively very small carpet area. So if big carpet area is one of your priority, then this project won't fit for you. Now coming to the builder profile. Established in 1978, Runwal Group has been in the construction and developing projects since last 40 years and have already developed around 30 million square feet only in Mumbai with more than 20,000 plus happy families. Top 3 completed projects are Runwal Greens in Mulund West, Runwal Estate in Manpada, Thane, Runwal Anthurium, Mulund West, Runwal Pearl, Thane West. Talking about commercial projects, our city in Ghatkopar and our mall in Mulund. So everyone, this is the unboxing of residential project Runwal My City by Runwal Group in Dombivli. If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, floor plans, brochure or want to do a site visit, you can call or WhatsApp us at 9623999211. Also, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.